Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from integral calculus. And this is one of the most common problems na tinatanong sa mga engineering mathematics na when it comes sa mga engineering board exams. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay future engineer Francis Palermo, also kay Arnel Kahandab, and sa napakabait na nurse na nakilala ko, si Tricia Bacani. And thank you so much sa inyo mga Lodi Cake sa patuloy na support sa channel ko, and I hope you all the best. Ingat kayo palagi and all is well. So ito yung problem natin mga Lodi Cakes. A body moves such that its acceleration as a function of time is given as a equals 2 plus 12t, where t is in minutes and a is in meters per minute squared. Its acceleration after 1 minute is 11 meters per minute. Find its velocity after 2 minutes. So mga Lodi Cakes, basically this is just an application mga idol. So ang acceleration kasi, tandaan po natin na ang acceleration natin in terms of velocity is just its derivative with respect to time. So dv over dt is equal to the acceleration. So ibig sabihin pala Sir IJ, how do we now obtain our velocity in terms of time? So to determine the velocity, so we will just integrate a with respect to t. Tama ba mga Lodi Cake? So our velocity will just be the integral of 2 plus 12t dt, and then just applying basic integration formulas. So velocity is equal to, ang integral ng 2 ay 2t, yung 12t naman, so magdadagdag ka lang ng isa sa exponent, 1 plus 1, that's 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So that is plus 60 squared. However, since this is an indefinite integral, so you have to include the constant c. Ano bang sinabi, Lodi Cakes? Its velocity after 1 minute is 11 meter per minute, right? So ibig sabihin, at t equals 1, so we have v equals 11. So we will be solving for the value of c so that we can get our equation for velocity in terms of time. So we have 11 equals 2 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 1 squared plus c. So alam naman natin na ang 2 plus 6 ay 8. 11 minus 8, that is 3. So we have 3. Yung c natin, ibabalik lang natin siya dito sa equation natin for the velocity. So what we'll have next is the velocity is equal to 2t plus 60 squared plus 3. Anong sinasabi or ang hinahanap? Find the velocity after 2 minutes. So at t equals 2 mga Lodi Cakes, so we have v equals 2 times 2 plus 6 multiplied by 2 squared plus 3. So that's 4 plus 24, 28 plus 3. Therefore, the answer to this board problem is 31 meters per minute. So, yan po yung application ng derivatives tsaka ng mga acceleration, velocity, and yung distance natin. Pero pwede rin naman natin itong isolve using our calculators. So, anong gagawin natin dyan using calculator technique? So, Caltech mga Lodi Cakes. Siyempre, gustong-gusto natin yan. So, for our calculator technique, so, di ba ang A is 2 plus 12t, tapos sinabi daw na yung velocity niya after 1 minute is 11 meters per minute. So, ang gagawin nyo lang dyan, mga Lodi Cakes, yung acceleration na binigay, integrate natin. 2 plus 11t, 12t mga Lodi Cakes, evaluated from 0 to, 0 to 1, kasi nga 1 minute, dt. Gawin nyo lang x yan. So, try natin evaluate sa calculator yan, Lodi Cakes. So, that will be the integral of 2 plus 12x sa calculator from 0 to 1. Ang makukuha nating sagot dito mga Lodi Cakes is 8. Eh alam natin na ang velocity niya after 1 minute is 11. So ilan yung kulang natin? So that is 3. So ibig sabihin meron tayong i-add na 3 plus kung paano natin kukunin yung velocity after 2 minutes. So meron tayong 3. So for the final solution sa calculator technique, ilan yung kulang nating velocity? So that is 3 plus. Since ang hinahanap natin after 2 minutes, integrate lang natin from 0 to 2 yung acceleration mga Lodi Cakes para makuha na natin yung velocity niya after 2 minutes. So that is 3 plus the integral Sir IJ ng 2 plus 12x sa calculators natin from 0 to 2 after 2 minutes. Therefore, the final answer is 31 meters per minute. So for after 3 minutes, edi ganun lang, 0 to 3, etc. So yun guys, sana kahit paano nabalikan yung basics ng application natin. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And good luck nga pala sa lahat na magte-take ng electrical engineering boards this week, next week rather. And yun guys, gawin niyo yung best niyo, bigay niyo 100% para walang regrets at the end. And wag kayong makakalimot mag-pray. Just do your best and God will take care of the rest. So thank you so much everyone. I hope you all have a great day today and kita-kits sa mga susunod na tutorials. Bye-bye and God bless.